If you are new to Logic Pro X and want some quick and straight to the point tutorials, well, you are on the right place, because I'm going to make a series of videos where you learn Logic the way I do it, and I'm going to try to make it quick and straight to the point. So in this video, I'm going to go through all the options you get when you first open up Logic. Let's dive into it. Okay, so when you first open Logic, you get this create new track with 4 different options. You got MIDI, pattern, session player, and audio. I'm going to go through them pretty quick. MIDI, this is if you want a software instrument where you can play piano or drums or whatever with your MIDI keyboard. You can go in down under instrument and you can choose what kind of instrument you want to start with, or you can just have it at empty channel strip and create. And then you can choose from the library what kind of thing you want. For example, these drums, Brooklyn drums. And pattern is pretty sweet if you want to make a quick drum beat. This is nice with EDM and stuff like that. So then you get this step sequencer where you can just draw in drums like that, hi-hat, and then you have a beat. A nice beat. Then you have session player. Here you have drummer, bass player, and keyboard player. This is basically Logic that's creating a track for you. If you want a drummer, you can choose what kind of style you want. For example, roots, brush, create, and then Logic is making a drum beat for you. And then you can tweak them around down here in the session player. Make bass player, and then he's also making what kind of chords you want at the top. You can press this button here, and then you can change the notes. Double click them, and then you can just change, I want that chord instead. And also keyboard player does the same thing. And the last one is audio. This is basically if you want to track microphone, or you have an electric guitar or something that you want to do with audio files, basically. And if you want to record audio files, you need an audio interface that brings the audio files into Logic Pro X. So I use the Focusrite 2i2, but there's many different kinds you can buy out there. So mic or line, guitar or bass. So then you press the micro line, and then you press what kind of input you have your microphone in, create, and then you can record. Nice vocal. So that was a quick walkthrough of creating a new track, or open up Logic and starting from there. Next video, I'm going to show you a little bit around an interface in Logic Pro and tell you where the basics are to move around and work in Logic. So make sure you subscribe so you get a notification when I put out the video, and there will come many more after a while, so make sure to subscribe. Take care, thank you for watching, bye bye then.